guys, so I'm going for my baby's hearing test. For a change, we have a good sun. अच्छा धूप आ रहा है, तो I want to enjoy the weather also. But मेरा appointment है यहाँ पे, and I'll keep you posted. अंदर recording allowed नहीं है, but I'll try to record as much as possible, and I'll try to show how hearing test works यहाँ पे कनाडा में. और ये hearing test इसके लिए है because when my baby was born, she was not able to एक लेफ्ट ईयर से या राइट ईयर से उसको आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी, विच इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल. 60-70% ऑफ द बेबीज़ को नहीं आता बिकॉज वो अभी मदर के वजह से बाहर निकले हैं और उनको वो पेट में रहता है, तो उनको ये आवाज़ नहीं आती है, विच इज़ वेरी कॉमन. बट यहाँ कनाडा में दे टेक इट वेरी सीरियसली. ये टेस्ट कंपलसरी था मुझे. इन्होंने मुझे 3 से 4 बार कॉल किया, अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करवाई है, और या मतलब उन्होंने बोला ही था कि हमको ये अपडेट करना है पब्लिक हेल्थ को भी. तो दिस इज़ वेरी गुड एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. I'll keep you posted. Bye. So guys, I'm going for my baby's hearing test. So this is for?
Sorry?
This on the head, it's for what?
So it's an electrode. What this test looks for is a response from the nerve of hearing. So these electrodes will basically pick up her brain response to the sound. Once we put a little tip in.
She's sleepy.
Most of them wake up when we're kind of poking and prodding up.
Is she responding?
So yeah, so we got a response. So this here just shows that the response we're getting. So we're getting nice big barium waves, which is great. So she passed that ear. So that was the ear she referred on.
Okay.
Since she's kind of settled back down, we'll try to check this left ear again just to make sure.
Okay.
But if she wakes up again, we'll just leave it as it did pass in hospital.
Okay. I just want to show his father that she passed. She passed on left ear also, right?
Yep. So both of her ears have passed today. Everything's normal range of hearing for her.
Wow, amazing.
So we get those electrodes out. There might be a little bit of gel left over from the electrodes. It's just a water-soluble gel, so just come off with a damp cloth.
Okay.
And they have lots of hair. They don't stick too much,
Yeah.
which is good.
No, she has a beautiful hair.
She has beautiful hair. Lucky
Yeah.
girl. Better hair than me. Perfect. So like I said, everything's normal range of hearing for her. Since she passed both ears, we don't need to see you guys back. We don't send the reports directly to the doctors. If they ever needed them, they would follow up with us directly to get the reports. But normally they just want to know that she had the test redone. So just let them know she passed both ears, and I'm just going to check it off.
Okay, great, amazing.